Anyways, these used to retail for $200. They wanted to unbox themselves. Hey, what up guys? Pabs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. Today's shoe is not technically a sneaker, it's a boot. So with that said, today we have the SF Air Force One High boot. So yeah, another long ass name. So actually, before I even start cutting the box, as you can tell, it takes most of the frame today. It's a huge ass box, and the boots are supposed to be super high. I'm kind of questioning whether or not it was a good decision to have this shoe on the channel. But again, honestly, I've been intrigued by this boot ever since I started the channel. Because back in December or January, it was December 2017, of course, January 2018. I saw the same boot. I saw a highlight orange colorway of this boot on sneakers, like right after I did like my first or second video on this channel, or for the sneaker content on this channel. And I noticed that Nike wasn't selling them anymore. Oh, that's a huge ass box, bro. Oh man, actually it won't. Oh man, I ran into this problem again though. This shit's gonna knock the camera down. Okay, hold up. Hold that. Oh, you see that? Pabs Moneybags. I'm the Nike boy, an engineer. I'm a scholar, bro. I'm a straight up scholar out here. The box is backwards. Oh my goodness. Alright. This is definitely the largest box we've had on the channel. I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of excited about this boot. Sneaker boot, because it's the Air Force One, of course, kind of merged with a tall ass boot. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do this. Oh god, look at that damage on the box. Damn. Okay, let me take it out. Let me just go ahead and take this. Ooh. Oh, okay, it's backwards for you guys. Never mind. I'm getting excited for nothing. Okay, getting rid of the huge ass shipping box. And now we put the huge ass shoe box. You have Nike Air branding, and then Air Force One written on this silver tone, on this blacked out shoe box. And I think that's it. There's no other details. Ooh, actually no, I just saw one. There's this, it's established 1982 over here in the corner. Really hard to see, really small detail. Anyways, these used to retail for $200. Well, they just straight up, they wanted to unbox themselves. I mean, half the boot is already showing over here. So going back to the fact that it retailed for $200, it was also on sale for $109.97. And with the tax, I paid $6.87 of tax, so I ended up paying $116.84. I really love the fact that they added stars. It's like a texture made with a bunch of really small stars on the paper. Okay, I like this little part of it on the packaging. But right now, let's go ahead and take it out. This one's gonna be something else for details. Oh my god, these are ropes. These are not even laces. This is an actual rope. Ooh. Okay. So the paper also has like a, so you have the stars that create the texture, but then Nike also printed, and I don't know if I can show it, I don't know if you can see, I'll give you a close-up on this, but it's like a 5x5 square of stars, and it also says established in 1982. I really love that USA, you know, military vibe, not only on the boots, but also, you know, throughout the packaging of the shoes inside the box. So I really like that. Since I mentioned the ropes earlier that function as some sort of laces, I'm gonna talk about those first. So you got these low-key thick ropes that are covered on the front with some type of material. I don't know what it is. It's just really weird. Like, I'm so used to unboxing a sneaker, like a running shoe, right? I did the Zoom Fly Flyknit, and then I did the one Renew Rival shoe last video. But yeah, so I'm so used to doing that I guess even talking about a boot is kind of weird. But yeah, you got a little piece of leather kind of tight on the front, over here on the zipper, and then I guess we unzip them. Oh, this is clean. Okay, this is, you can't see it. Alright, so let me go ahead and untie it. And then the ropes also kind of cross over here on this. It's metal. No, it's hard plate. It's heavy. This little thing in the front, not even sure what to call it. I guess I'm gonna take it out. Let's go ahead and take it out. And there you have it. This little 5-hole thingy that has 2 Nike swooshes. Really heavy. Or not super heavy, but kind of heavy. Definitely doesn't feel like plastic, but I'm going to go ahead and put that here. Bro, how can you even walk around with that much rope? Okay, so let's go ahead and keep on zipping. Just so, there's a whole paragraph written over here. What the? So made in Vietnam, Nike and the swoosh and the stripe or stripe, whatever, trademarks, Nike branding, Nike Air branding, and then below that Air Force One, just like we saw in the box, it says winterized issue footwear, type SF Air Force One high, DPA, spring 18, the whole code that I don't know what it means, QM, don't know what that means, DN, Goddess of Victory. All these abbreviations that I am not aware of. Okay, so I thought the letters over here on the side, on the outside, spell out Air, as in Nike Air, but they actually spell out AF1 as in Air Force One. But you do have Air written over here on the outside part of the midsole, because remember, this whole midsole in front of the shoe is inspired or based on, or it's pretty much the same thing as an Air Force One. As you can tell, the outsole is the same thing as an Air Force One. I don't know what this is. And I just noticed that the outsole also has this Nike branding over here. I want to say right in the middle of the outsole. But yeah, just the regular Air Force One, midsole, outsole, and then the toe box as well. So you have nothing written on the inside where we had Air Force One written on the outside, but you do have more of that camo-like reflective material. And then on both the outside and the inside, you have these openings. There are 2 black openings, not sure what they're there for, but you do have them on both the outside and the inside. But yeah, I think that's it. The last 2 videos, so this one and the last one, have been shoes that not even I was expecting to unbox. I just scrolled down, it's like, oh, there's this shoe, and then there's this boot. Not a huge fan of the colorway, but it's a really interesting concept. You're merging the Air Force One with a boot, like who the f thinks of this? So yeah, quick disclaimer before I send you guys to the on-feet look. It's only gonna be like 3 outfits or 3, bottom. It's gonna be 3 pants and that's it. Just so jeans, joggers, and sweatpants. Let's just go ahead and see how these look on feet.
Yo, Kiwi, thank you, bro.
But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it. I don't even know how to position this boot. But if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Peps Money Bags. Out.